event is Jack Daniel's Global Music Tour Philippines. It involves a lot of things, one of which is the grand draw of the regional raffle promo of the Jack Daniel's Global Music Tour. We are presenting the Philippine delegation to the Jack Daniel's Global Music Tour in Singapore, which are Nico Maca, the collaboration of Nico Maca and Cynthia Alexander. And apart from which, tonight also features bands that are highly supported by Jack Daniel's, namely Urban Dub and Razorback, for being the band in their specific genre, parang pioneer, because that is one of the things that Jack Daniel's is an avid supporter of.
Masaya kami kasi play along with yung mga bands na nakasama namin tonight. It's really an experience for us, so we're really happy to be part of it.
Every time we get to play in front of a huge crowd, we're always excited and very honored to be part of an event.
We're glad to be invited again. Thanks to Jackman. Salamat. We're getting bombed here.